Let us now proceed to another type of energy, which is the kinetic energy. So ano nga ba ang kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is a type of energy which is associated with motion or energy in motion. So all the objects that are moving have kinetic energy. So please remember this one. If the velocity of the object is increasing, its kinetic energy is also increasing. The increasing in kinetic energy of the object is also due to the transformation of potential energy to kinetic energy. Okay, let us now proceed to the equation of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to Ke is equal to 1 half mv squared. Sometimes they are using Ke is equal to mv squared over 2. So, mas okay po itong gamitin. No? Ito na lang po yung gamitin nyo sa pag-compute po ng problem about kinetic energy. So, Ke stands for kinetic energy. Its unit is joule. Then, M stands for mass. Its unit is kilogram. V stands for velocity. Its unit is meter per second. Let us have a sample problem number 1. A roller coaster with a mass of 1,000 kg is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. How much kinetic energy does it possess? So ano po ang una natin gagawin? We need to identify what are the given. So ano-ano ang given? Meron tayong 1,000 kg. Ano ang 1,000 kg? Ayan po yung mass natin. 1,000 kilogram. Next, we also have 20 meter per second. Ano po ang 20 meter per second? Ayan po yung ating velocity. Ano po yung hinahanap based sa problem? Is the kinetic energy. So, we need to find kinetic energy. So, what is the formula that we are going to use? So, simply, Ke is equal to mv squared over 2. So, let us now substitute the given into the formula. Ke is equal to, wait, ano po yung value ng M natin? 1,000 kilogram multiply by, ano yung V natin or velocity? 20 meter per second raised to 2 divided by 2. So, ano po yung sunod natin gagawin? So, 1,000 kilogram multiply by, i-multiply nyo po muna to itself yung 20 meter per second. So, magiging, ano po sagot dyan? 400. So, siya ay magiging 400 meter squared per second squared divided by 2. So, multiply 1,000 to 400. Ang sagot po ay 400,000 kilogram meter squared second squared divided by 2. So, divide 400,000 sa 2. Ang sagot, of course, 200,000 kilogram meter squared second squared or 200,000 joules. So, ayan po yung ating final answer. Okay, so for sample problem number 2, what is the kinetic energy of a girl who has a mass of 40 kg and the velocity of 3 meter per second. So, you need to answer this one for 20 seconds. Okay, time is up. So, ito po. Then the final answer, pakilagay na lang po sa Google form. So, for the next slide, no? Ayan po ay para sa seat work. So, ito na po yung pinaka-last. So, the seat work po ay sasagutan sa 1/2 crosswise. Pakipicturean po ang sagot with complete solution. Ayun po yung i-upload sa Google form.